for Disebendi. Saneliso Mabuza joins us now. Very good morning, Saneliso. As we were talking before we went live just now, what is actually workman's compensation?
Yes.
How crucial is it for employers to have it?
It's a very crucial cover insurance le workman's compensation le phocelekile bonke baqashi kangwane ukuthi bayithathe Disebendi dabo. So yona ikavarisha ema-injuries etisebenzi from nawusuka nje ekhaya uya emsebentini usemsebentini noma soya ekhaya any injury le related kulo msebenzi wakho lo wendako loqashele wona yona iyakhavarisha ukuthi noma ngabe kunema medical expenses esekufuna salabhadaleka ngokuthi ulimele umqashi utawabhadala thina sizabe sesiyambhadala back, which is part of le cover le khona noma ngabe sekunelimala lokuthide lokutakwenda ukuthi uhlale ekhaya ungakhona ukuya emsebentini umqashi kufuna kuchubeka kubhadalele imali leyo usekhaya thina siyamhlangabeda kubhadaleni iholo lakho ukuze ungalahlekelwa ngumsebenzi. Phinze futhi nangabe sokhubatekile kube kunekhubateka lokuthide sitha kuncephetela mhlambe sekungabe ulimele kwajubeka sandla kwendeka lokwanalokho sitha kuncephetela thina ngemali lethide lebele kugazethi yaka Labour ukuthi manje kumele sikubhadale kanganani noma ke nangabe sekunelishwa soshonile siyakubhadala kunemali lethide lekufuna sikubhadalele yona ukuthi manje cha soshonile sibakhalise basekhaya.
Okay.
Yes, it's part of that.
All right. So before glama injuries, before going to work, I guess I could be involved in a car accident in Settler 17.
Yes.
It covers that as well.
Yes. Now so nje khaya usiso emsebentini iyaqala le cover iyakavarisha kungako uhulumende abone ukuthi kumqoka ukuthi wonke umqasha kamthathele Disebendi dawo. So it's a statutory cover lena ukuthi bonke baqashi bathathele Disebendi. Nawusuke ekhaya uya emsebentini usuke emsebentini uya ekhaya uyade ukuthi manje kune cover letakubhadalela should anything happen to you baqashi kumele bakuthathele yona. So bongako kumqoka kakhulu ukuthi bonke baqashi kangwane batithathele Disebendi dabo.
So le yakaldwala insurance ihluke ngani yona unique
ke for years in the insurance space bekuyinye insurer lebevumelekile ukuthi mhlambe inganika Disebendi workman's compensation. So ngenhlanhla iparliament igcina ivulile ukuthi onke ama insurance companies sangavukile sangayithengisa le workman's compensation. So lidwala ke ubese uyavela wabuka ukuthi manje ngoba thina we pride ourselves in customer centricity sabuka ukuthi okay what is offered yini le shodako leso letibaqashi etikwa lokubhalwe phasi emthethweni. So thina sehluke nganako ke kalidwala lokuthi yini utekithi nangabe kwendekile kwashona sisebenzi sashonela ngenzaba ukuthi besisebenza noma semsebentini thina ke bakalidwala sitakunika 20,000 amalangeni cash ukuthi nikhone kungcwaba loyo bhuti noyomnakeni loshonile ashonele emsebentini 20,000 cash cover kwehlukile ke lokho igazethi ithi thina sekubhadala 300 thina sitakunika 20,000 ngaloku buka letithi ngoba sekusuke kushone lo muntu lokuyena aletha singwa la khaya kuthi nimgcwabe with dignity siyayiloko awusikubhadalise imali le extra on top of that lidwala uyakunika nje lokho lokunye igazethi ithi manje thina sibhadale 136,000 ema medical expenses thina sithi sesiyabona tino sesikhulile kulamalanga tikhula onke malanga so sibhadalisine asibhadale nje lo 136,000 siyahamba size sigabanqele sifike ku 220,000 emalangeni ema medical expenses kude ke lo offerisha le mali leyo la kangwane kulama insurance ngolidwala kuphela. Phinze nangabe kwendekile kwashona umuntu emsebentini mhlambe sebayayisuka inkampani ukuthi mhlambe khona abudlabha lebe yabakhona sibanika employers liability lehamba ifike ku 1 million emalangeni mahala tonke tinto leto lesitinika baqashi ukuthi bakhone kwati ukuthi noma ngabe kwendekani ba safe letino etinzathu lentibalile leto sithi offerisha mahala kalidwala kude imali lengedulu lekufuna ungede ukuthi uyinike lidwala. Ngoba siya pride ngekuthi thina siyinkampani yemaswati sinakelele emaswati ukuthi konke lokwendekako basitakale ngale cover lena. So for years bekumunye umuntu bekavumelekile so nyalo thina sithi wotakithi kalidwala utawuthola more for less ngalo kushona nje lidwala insurance.
All right.
Yes.
So nasisakhuluma nje ngale cover said kuthi emsebentini we have permanent employees, we have employees that are on contract, we have graduate trainees, we have interns. Coverisha every employee noma mhlambe nibukela laba permanent kuphela.
Cha asika coverage nje kuphela ema permanent employees coverisha wonke umuntu lo sebendako lo permanent lo contract lo internship as long as uqashiwe usebenda usemsebentini kumele umqashi wakho ayithathe le workers compensation kunibukelela ukuthi manje i welfare yenu njani. So it's part of it, and iyasita nakulama full labor compliance nje bakaleba bahle bahlola ukuthi manje ba comply yini. So this is a crucial document le workmen's compensation cover le yenda ukuthi ukhone ukuba ne full labor compliance. So sithina ke wotakalidwala ube ipartner yethu kuze ukhone kubone ukuthola i full labor compliance. Ngakho nje na ubona ama billboards ethu sihlale sibhala nje ukuthi your workmen's compensation for workmen's compensation partner for full labor compliance. Siyakhayisa ngaloko ukuthi thina nge document yethu yavela kale baba konike i full labor compliance ngaloko ukuthi uthethe ikhava kalidwala njengoba sengichazile nje is more for less. Wotakithi thina kalidwala sitakunika the best cover in the country.
Speaking of compliance, when nyaba sita with the legal requirements as well, the documents that are needed.
Yes, siyakusida ngaloko lena i-document lengiyona lemqoka kakhulu lena ukuthi manje ukhone ukuthola le full labor compliance. So siyakusida siyaku-assessela futhi nema-risk akho. Lokho ke seyi-value add service letholakala nje kalidwala kuphela la kangwane. Lokuthi umsebentini wakho tisasebenza sekwendele i-risk management plan sekunike nema-risk mitigation longawafaka in place ukuthi tisebenti takho tingalimali ngoba as much as le cover ikhona in place workmen's compensation kude umqashi lofisa kubona ukuthi isebenti takhe tilimala noma umuntu usojube kasandla noma soya amputate. Sithine ke siyakusida sikwendele plan sikwendele assessment environment yakho sekutshele ukuthi bona lana ngoba kude sisebentile kumele silimale emsebentini kanti lento be preventable. So sibe sesingena lapho thina sibakalidwala sik-offerishe le service leyo ukuthi cha buka la lungisa lana kuze bantu isebenti takho tingalimali. Then ke ngilishwa nakwendekile le workmen's compensation cover bese ke iyasita ke lapho.
Okay.
Yes.
So take us through the claims process from the time lemumvu alimala to the final settlement. Lokuthi ngiyalimala nje namuhla ngefake claim yami isithatha i-process lethatha isikhathi esinganani le kwendeka kahle.
Le claims process iyashiyana ngalokuthi ulimala njani. Lesinye isikhathi nje ngoba ungalimala lamhla ungakhanza ukuthi udawulashwa sikhathi lesizwe yabona, but lokumqoka ukuthi usi-informe kungakapheli 7 days kwendekele ngodi ukuthi manje cha khona lo salimele. Then uyasinforma nabakalebha then bese iyaqala ke le claim yakho ngendeke isathe isikhathi ngoba phela mhlambe kudathina ulimele kudzingeke bofizo naloko konke, but sithine sakalidwala sihamba nawe yonke le ndlela sikubhadala imali yakho futhi siyashesha ngekubhadala ngoba phela siyathi ukuthi manje njengoba nibhadele ama premiums kufuna usitakale masinyane asiphutisi ke lapho. Ma medical expenses sewabhadala as in carer as an employer siyawabhadala sifika njengoba sengishito sifika 220,000 singilidwala insurance sigcine nje lo 136,000 siyabhadala kanjalo naloko nangabe sekushona umuntu labor utawukwenda le process leyo asho sichata imali talomuntu ingaka as soon as lifika le file kalidwala thina nje sifaka imali ngendlela ngendlela yakhona asiphutisi sithina ngeke uyonqonqotha ukuthi yathi nginethi imali tami takalidwala thina sibhadala nje lapho nalifika le file siyabhadala imali tenu khona nangabe nishonelwe noma ulimele noma mhlambe sokhubatekile ukhone ukuphila ngoba sohlele ekhaya masinyana siphutisi ke ngala ikubhadaleni.
Alright, kwekugcina nje Sanele, so dikhona dinkampani leti solo ti hesitant ukuthi tibhadale leti sebentitayo i-workmen's compensation. What advice would you give those companies?
Asengiqale lana kwekuqala nje lona ngumthetho welive loshaya eParliament ukuthi kumele utibhadalele, but ke nawe ungumqashi awuhlala unabo 220,000 ukuthi ngaleso sisebenzi kanti thina usibhadala nje imali lencane thina bakalidwala will take care of everything. Nawe kunika peace of mind as umqashi wathi ukuthi isebenti takho should anything happen ukhona lidwala insurance lutakubambisa akunakekele ama medical expenses nangabe khona khubateka lokuthide umbhadale nabe ushonile sitakunika nje 20,000 cash ukuthi uhambe umise tinyembete ekhaya angicwabeke ngesizotha lesizotha lesasifanele leso sisebenzi. So into lemqoka nawe as a peace of mind for umqashi nje usasebenta even la kangwane ngaphandle kwathi kusemthethweni kumqoka nje lokuthi wotithathe lisebenti takho wotakithi thina sitema affordable rates ngaloku sivele sekuvulekile akusakusimunye lokhona lo charge akho thina wa coming with very competitive rates la affordable la phasi futhi and you get more njengoba sengishito more for less naloku ngeba slogan sebantu but nje kalidwala you get more for less.
Get more for less. All right, thank you so much Sanele. So risk engineer kalidwala insurance otivele ukuthi they are affordable rates laba now, but to find out more to visit their offices bakhona kuvaka abantu ngayo workmen's compensation. We go for a break now, sibuya sikhulumisana na EU ambassador.